Earning money from Telegram, a popular messaging app, requires a strategic approach and a dedicated audience. Here's a guide to help you monetize your Telegram channel or group. Choose your niche. Select a specific niche or topic that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will help attract a targeted audience. Create valuable content. Consistently provide high-quality content that engages your audience. Share valuable information, updates, or exclusive content that people can't easily find elsewhere. Build a substantial audience. Grow your Telegram channel or group by promoting it on other social media platforms, websites, or through word of mouth. Encourage your audience to invite others. Offer premium content. You can monetize by offering premium or exclusive content, such as paid newsletters, ebooks, courses, or access to a private community within your channel. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your niche through affiliate marketing. Share affiliate links and earn commissions on sales generated through your referrals. Sponsored content. Partner with brands or companies in your niche for sponsored posts or shoutouts. Charge a fee for promoting their products or services to your audience. Donations and tips. Encourage your followers to support your channel voluntarily by accepting donations or tips through payment platforms like PayPal or cryptocurrency. Sell merchandise. If you have a strong brand, consider selling merchandise related to your channel, such as t-shirts, mugs, or other products. Consulting or coaching. If you have expertise in your niche, offer consulting or coaching services to your followers for a fee. Membership tiers. Create different membership levels with varying benefits, such as exclusive content, early access, or personalized interactions. Charge a subscription fee for higher tier access. Advertise your skills. If you have skills like graphic design, writing, or programming, promote your services within your channel.